Hello student, today we are going to start with another important topic, that is cracker, freakers and how the cyber criminal plan for the cyber offenses, that is active attack and passive attack. A cracker is a person who breaks into computers. A cracker should not be confused with hackers. Okay, hackers and crackers and freakers are the another different terms. The term cracker is usually connected to a computer criminal. Cracking. It is the act of breaking into computers. Cracking is a popular growing subject on the internet. Many sites are devoted to supplying crackers with programs that allow them to crack the computers, or what we can say that allow to access the unauthorized access to the computers. Now, freaking. This is the notorious art of breaking into the communication system. Freaking sites are popular among the crackers and the other criminals. So that's why cracking and freaking and cyber criminal, these are different terms. And according to the act, or what we can say that activity of that cyber criminal, these terms are what we can say that introduced. That is cyber criminal, freaking, and crackers. Now, how criminal plan for the attacks? That is, first, criminals use many method and tool to locate weakness of their target. Criminals plan passive and active attacks. Okay, so what is passive attack and active attack? Passive attacks are those attacks in which the cyber criminal or hacker only know the things of the victim. Okay, but we can say that if source and destination which are available, and source transfer 1 plus 1 2 to the destination. Okay, so in passive attack the hacker know the things, that is 1 plus 1 is 2 is there, and which is transferred from node A to node B, but it doesn't alter that message. Okay, but in active attack the hacker know all the things, and he or she try to alter that message. That is, this is different between passive attack and active attack. The active attacks are usually used to alter the system, whereas passive attacks attempt to gain information about the target. Yes, exactly, we already discussed these things. In addition to the active attack and passive categories, the attacks can be categorized as either inside or outside. How? The inside attack, an attack which is to be originating or attempted within the security perimeter of an organization, is an inside attack. Okay, what we can say that this attack which is to be performed by might be insider. Okay, this might be a formal employee or any current employee of an organization. It is usually attempted by an insider who gains access to more resources than expected. Outside attack, an outside attack which is to be attempted by a source outside the security perimeter. It may be attempted by an insider or an outsider. Yes, exactly. It is attempted through the internet or any remote location, remote access connection. So these are the things which are related to the passive attack, active attack, insider, inside attack, outside attack, how the criminal plan for the cyber offenses. Now next, phases involved in planning the cyber crime. We are going to discuss this thing in next lecture.